Hello, today we ask the question, how is healing not like car repair? Well, if you're like me, and I think some of you are, you just think you can just keep going no matter what. I think I'm like a car that if I have a cold or I'm not feeling well, I'll just take a nap and I'm done. It's like a car, you can put in a new carburetor or a new engine mount, and all of a sudden, boom, the car works fine. People don't work like that. At least I don't work like that. When I need to heal, I can't just put in a new part, take a pill, have some chicken soup, and all of a sudden expect myself to feel better. It takes a minute. So the next time you put pressure on yourself, don't be like me and expect yourself to just leap up out of the bed. Maybe you need a little extra rest. Maybe you need a little extra time. Maybe you need a walk. Maybe you need a couple of days to not be so hard on yourself. Healing takes time. And that's okay, because you know what? You're not a car, and neither am I.